Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tadbir's Math tutorial class presented by Muhammad Tasbir Karim. Today we are going to solve a math of our mathematics CQ question exercise 1 and 2 related to chapter exercise 1 and 2. That is, in this chapter exercise 1 set function and chapter 2 algebraic expressions. So here is the CQ. Given that f of x equal to 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 2 and a equal to 2x by x4 minus 1 and number a equal to find the domain of f. B number question, find f inverse of minus 3, express a into x partial fraction. So here is the question and we are going to solve it. So question A is told us find the domain of f. So for solving it, you have to look at the function here, that is 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 2. So this is the function. If it will be a real number, this number will be a real number if and only if there is not equal to 0. That means in the denominator, if it is not 0, whatever the number doesn't matter, minus, plus, fraction, whatever the number doesn't matter, that will be a real number. But if you put here 0, it will be unidentified. That means anything by 0 we know infinity or unidentified. So similarly, if it is 0 here instead of 3x plus 2, that will be unidentified. So that is not real number. So that I am writing here will be a real number. This one will be a real number if 3x plus 2 not equal to 0. So if I put 2 on that side, that will be minus 2 and 3 is multiplication. If you just transfer it, that will be 3. So x equal to minus 3 by 2, that is, if the value of x equal to minus 2 by 3, then it will be 0. That means if I just want to skip 0 here, so we have to skip this number for x. The whole number 3x plus 2 not equal to 0, that means x equal to minus 2 by 3. If you put here minus 2 by 3, then 3 will be removed, minus 2 will be here, minus 2 will be here, and it will be what? Minus 2 0. That means I can just show you like that way. If I put the value here, that is 3 into minus 2 by 3 plus 2, you will see 3 and 3 will be gone. So it will be minus 2, then plus 2, that equal to 0. So if I put the value is minus 3 by 2, then the whole thing will be 0. So we have to skip this one. So if I skip the whole x not equal to minus 3 by 2 from the real number, if I just skip this number from the real number, that will be our domain. So this is our answer of A. Okay. So now the question number B, find f inverse 1, f inverse of minus 3. So that is our f, this is our f. So at first I have to find out f inverse of x. It is f of x, but I have to find out f inverse of x at first. Then I have to put the value instead of x minus 3 and I will get a value. So here it is, let y equal to f of x, that equal to this one. So if I skip this one, so y equal to 2x minus 3, that is by 3x plus 2. So if I cross multiply, this y will be multiplied with this, so that will be 3xy, and y is multiplied with this will be 3x plus 2y, and this is remain this. Okay, now I have just changed the side, so 2x, this is our 2x, and this 3x just transfer to the same side. So it is just going to this side. So it is positive, here it is negative. Okay, so you can see here, this one is just come here. So 2x is positive, but this one is positive, turned into negative. Here it is. And similarly, it is staying here plus 2y, just this 3 minus 3 will be just come to the left side. So it is positive 3 right now. So I just took common x here. If I took x here, so 2 will be here, minus 3y will be here, and here it will be just similarly like this way. Now x equal to, just transfer this one to the right side. So 2y plus 3 above and 2 minus 3 in the denominator. So I can say, so f inverse y equal to 2y plus 3 by 2 minus 3y, that is our f inverse of y. So this one, what is this? This one is f inverse of y. So if I just put here x, so f inverse x equal to 2x plus 3 by 2 minus 3x. So just in the place of y, here it is y, here it is y, just put it, that is x. So this is our f inverse, function of f inverse. This one is 2x plus 3 by 2 minus 3x, that is our f inverse of x. Now I can put the value x equal to minus 3, here I am just putting minus 3. So in place of x I just put it was 2 into x, so 2 into minus 3 plus 3, and 2, here is 2 minus 2 3x, so 3 into minus 3. So now I just calculate, this is minus 6 plus 3, 2 minus a plus 9. So in denominator 11 and in numerator 3. That is our answer. So I think you understand. It's not so difficult for making it clear. If you still you didn't understand, just I think you just revise it again. I think you will understand. So now number C, number question. Here it is number C. Here a equal to 2x by x to the power 4 minus 1. The question told us express a into partial fraction. So I have to factorize it. What is partial fraction? How we are going to do that? There is a video. Inshallah, I will give you the link. If you don't understand this partial fraction, how we are going to solve it, you will better see that video at first. Then I think you will understand this C number. Okay. So I think you understand the. Uh, So here is the question is told about. So I think you will see the partial fraction if you don't understand the math properly. So here we are going to just solve. Look at here, I just factorize it, x4 minus 1, like x square plus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 1. Now I just let it 2x, that is the my given function fraction, 2x by x square plus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 1. This is my given fraction. This one is just let it ax plus b by x square plus 1 plus c by x plus 1 into d by x minus 1. So as this is a quadratic equation, so that's why it's just let it ax plus b, and the rest of the is just simple equation. So just for simple alphabet, single alphabet is just used for this one. So you can write arrange in different way, doesn't matter, but you have to, for quadratic equation you have to let at least two alphabet with one with the variable, and another one will be just alone. Okay, so this is our equation number 1. This is an equality sign. You have to careful about this sign. We have to use this one. So now I just cross multiplied in the both side with this one. So as I cross multiplied with the denominator of this one, it will be totally empty. So 2x will be remain, and here just 2x square plus 1 x square plus 1 will be removed. So x plus 1 into x minus 1 will be there with the numerator. Similarly, x plus 1 and x plus 1 will be removed. So rest of the 2 will be multiplied with c, and similarly this one multiply d with x square plus 1 into x plus 1. So after that I just multiplied with the whole thing, and similarly I just multiplied with the whole thing. Okay, so after multiplication I have to just look, it seems to be like this: ax cube plus bx square minus ax minus b plus cx cube. So you have to use more line for multiplication. Okay, so if you multiply, this is a square minus b square, so x minus x square minus 1. If you multiply with this one, so you will get this. Okay, and similarly if you multiply this one first, it will be this, then after you can multiply c with this, and similarly if you multiply these two number at first, so it will be this algebraic expression will be seem to be this, then you multiply d. Now you can arrange x cube, all the x cube, just here is x cube, x cube, and x cube. So there are 3 x cube. If you take x cube common here, then a plus c plus d will be here. Then you can take b x square common, here is x square term and x square term. If you take x square common, so it will be b minus c plus d. Similarly, if you take x common, it will be like this, and the rest of the, there is free element. These are the free elements. So these are the free elements. This is equation number 2. Now we are going to equating coefficient of x cube, x square, x and constant term from the both side. Here it is side left side and here it is right side. So from the both side, you can see here is only one term, that is 2x. So only x is there, but rest of the portion is not there. So there is no x cube, no x square, no constant term. Only x term is there. So for that, I will just think about, for x cube, here it is a plus b, c plus d, and here it is nothing, that means 0. So a plus c plus d equal to 0. In the right side, that is exists a plus c plus d, but here it is nothing, that means 0 into x cube. That means what? 0. So here is nothing, that means 0. So we can say that is 0. So similarly, of the coefficient of x square, you can see there is nothing. So if I just think about, that is here it is just b minus c plus d in the right side, and left side that is 0. So b minus c plus d equal to 0, and here you can see x term is here is x term, but here is also another x term, that equal to 2. So I can write, that is c plus d minus a equal to 2. That is our fifth equation, and as there is only constant part on the right side, but left side there is nothing constant. Okay, there is no x without x related term, so that equal to 0. Okay, so now you can see here that if I subtract equation number 5 from 3, equation 5 from 3, and we will get what we will get. You can see here 5 from 3, we will see a, and just you can see that a and a will be remain, as it will be just change the sign. You will see that will be just a and a will be just, it will be positive, it will be negative, it will be negative if I subtract it. Okay, so then c and c will be gone, d and d will be gone. So a and a, that is 2a, that will be, if we subtract 0 minus 2, it will be also minus, so minus 2 will be there. So a equal to minus 1, at last we will get. Similarly, if we put this value a equal to minus 1 in equation number 5, in here 5, you can see there is, just going to erase all the things. Okay, so if I going to put the value, if I put the value here a equal to minus 1, then we will see what, look at here, c plus d, here is minus and minus 1, that equal to plus 1. This will be go to this side, so it will be 2 minus 1, that will be 1. Again I am telling, here it is c minus, I am just writing here c plus d minus 1 minus plus 1 equal to 2. So if I just transfer this one on the right side, then it will be what? It will be minus, just only 2 will be there. So I think you understand. So that is our new equation, equation number 7. If I just write this d number, d equal to 1 minus c in equation number 6, here it is 6. So if I just put d equal to 1 minus c, look at here what will be the change here. So here it is d minus b minus c, I am just putting here 1 minus c. So this C and C will be what? Minus 2C minus B, that equal to 1. If I just transfer to the on the right side, then it will be plus B and plus 2C, that equal to 1. So it is a new equation number 8. Now if I put this D equal to 1 minus C in equation number 4, here it is our equation number 4, then I will get just C minus 2C, so B here, and 1 is just go to the right side, so it will be minus 1. Now from 8 and 9, if we add them, this 8, this is our 8 and 9 equation. Look at here, 2C and 2C will be gone, 1 and 1 will be gone, so 2B equal to 0, that will be equal to 0. And similarly, if I put this value B equal to 0 in equation number 9, if I just put it just equation number here in 9, you can see here, that is uh, 0 minus 2C equal to minus 1. So it will be C equal to 1 by 2. So if I put this C in equation number 7, this is our 7, equation 7. So 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. So it will remain 1 by 2. So we have the value, just going to erase because I need this place. So we have the value A equal to minus 1, B equal to B equal to 0, C equal to 1 by 2, and D equal to 1 by 2. So this is all the value I got already. Now from here you can see, putting the value A, B, C and D in 1, this one, so I am just putting this value minus 1 here, then 0 here, and C equal to 1 by 2, D equal to 1 by 2. So here I am just putting, so minus 1, it is just minus x, 0 will just nothing, 1 by 2 it will just go down, 1 by 2 this will go down. So it seems to be like this, minus x by x square plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into x minus 1, that is our partial fraction of this one. So thus the partial fraction of A equal to 2x by x4 minus 1 equal to minus x by x square plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into x minus 1. That is our answer. I think you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Inshallah, in the next video I will show you another CQ of this related chapter. Inshallah, hopefully it will be helpful for you, and inshallah we will get a plus in our SSC examination.